Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Elma, the non-tech techie, and tonight I have the founder of StoreGrowth, Mehedi Hasan. So, StoreGrowth, so I'm a Shopify store owner, so I don't know a lot about WooCommerce, but I could imagine they are similar. Anyway, because of StoreGrowth, I actually installed WooCommerce on one of my websites, and the thing is that I was just a little bit too late on the full testing, but I've already installed it on my site and it's all looking good. And hopefully, I can show you in the next couple of weeks how a store might look. My store looks like on WooCommerce with and using store growth. Yeah, so it's quite exciting because they have a lot of features that I I am actually looking for. That includes they have this fly cart, you have the direct checkout, you have sales countdown timer, upsell order bump, live sales notification, floating bar, stock count bar, and there are also rules for free shipping. Now, some of these I already have in Shopify, but some of them, actually most of them, I still need to get an add-on or to sign up for or buy an app on the marketplace of Shopify. But I know that in WooCommerce, these it does not come with these features natively, and you need to buy these as plugins. And here with Store Growth, so you have all these eight plus, I believe, more, because you can customize everything. And yeah, so if you have a WooCommerce store, then this is the right app for you if you want to make sure that if you want to increase your sales on WooCommerce. So let's welcome Mehedi. And if you are new to this channel, please do leave okay, please subscribe and please like my channel so that you get notified in the future of videos like this. Okay, so please introduce yourself, Mehedi. Good evening, and I'd like to know what are how did you start with store growth? I know you have this company Inviso, and store growth is part of this company. And please tell us more about yourself, your company, why you started store growth, and what is your vision for store growth.
Hi, Elma. Thanks for welcoming me to Non-Tech Techie. I'm very pleased to be here. And already, my name is Mehedi, founder of StoreGrowth. So, StoreGrowth is a product of Inviso mother company. So, literally, Inviso is running on both. Like we are an agency as well as we are developing products. So if I start telling about the behind the story of store growth, so as a developer, like I started my career in 2013, and I have worked a lot since 2013, like more than thousand of website I have worked, or I have been somehow associated with them. So I know the pain point of a store owner, and mostly my expertise was with WooCommerce. So yeah, so right now I'm talking about store growth. So the fact is that like when I run a e-commerce store, and very often I have noticed to run a store, at least you have to install 10 to 20 plugins. So what happens that when you are running a store and you have installed 10 to 20 plugins, then it will slow down your website. It is very common case. As well as when you are installing 10 to 20 plugins, you have to purchase many licenses, because all of the plugins are not free. Most of them have the pro version and freemium type. So in this case, I thought that if I can include all the essentials plugins that is most needed for a store, and if it just increase the site speed and it just save the cost for a store owner, then definitely it will be clear on. So from that sense, I have started store growth since in 2023, and then we have released our plugin in 2024. So as it is a very big plugin. Right now we have 10 modules, and recently after running the LTD, we have launched two new modules. One is BOGO, buy on get on buy X gateway, and another one is quick view. So those two are very powerful modules addition to store growth, and I hope that will be more from now on. Store growth will be more powerful. So those who are using store growth, or those who will be store growth users, initially they will get 10 store growth modules. So yeah, that was the pain point, and why I just developed store growth, and why I have launched store growth.
Okay, and by the way, guys, I'm going to pin a link on both Facebook and YouTube because currently Store Growth is on Rocket Hub and they are having a 10% off as an early bird discount. Okay, so yeah, so let's continue. So shall we have a look at how Store Growth works?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just share my screen so
Okay.
I can show your audience how store growth works. Okay,
We cannot see your screen yet. I cannot see your screen.
I'm just sharing my screen. Okay,
Okay.
to the screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Not yet. It's not allowing me to share yet. Now we can.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so store growth is a plugin uh, that you can install from, like, if you go to add new plugins, just search store growth, and you'll see here is our plugin. So right now this plugin is installed and active. So you'll see that all the features we have that are mostly mentioned in the title and description. So after installing the plugin, in the dashboard you'll see a menu, it called store growth. So here is the nice and clean store growth admin panel. So we have 10 modules. So to navigate the modules, you have to click on the modules. So when you click on the modules, you'll check all the modules we have right now. So for example, this is our recent edition BOGO, and we have released that modules today. And we have a countdown timer, direct checkout. So our modules are like different plugins. So in last webinar, just someone asked me a question that how this will impact on the website. So basically all the modules are like deactivated when you install the plugin, and just the modules you need, just click on the toggle button and it will activate the modules. And after activating the modules, if you just click on the settings, you'll notice that you have all the options, and on the left sidebar you have all the available modules. And if you have any modules that is not activated, or yes, that is not activated, you can just click here on that yes button, and that module will redirect you to the settings page. So, Elma, can you please tell me that should I show the demo of every modules?
Yes, please. We want to see each and every detail of the modules because the thing is, we'd like to understand how store growth actually compares with the current plugins that we are using, and can it really replace the current plugins that we are using? Like you said, instead of installing 10 to 20 plugins, they only have to install one with store growth. So, how robust is the store growth compared to whatever plugin they are using right now? They need to see that.
Okay, okay. So let
Yep.
me
Thank you.
let me show you all the modules. Okay, so very fast, I would like to start with Flycart. So this is our Flycart modules. So if you don't know how to find, like you can search from here in the search button, like type the module name, and you'll see that modules is here available. So I will just type on and just click on the enable module, just the toggle button, and the modules will be enabled. So when I enable the Flycart, very fast what I'll notice that there is a fly cart icon here. So this is our fly cart, and in the fly cart it is all the things you see here, everything can be managed and customized from the admin panel. So let me show you how we can do that. So from the admin panel, if you don't know how to do that, just click on the documentation. Everything's are mentioned in details in the documentation. So how to set up or customize uh, the fly card. You'll get all the things here. And now if we click on the settings here in the fly card, you'll see that the layout type. So if you want that the layout, by default the layout is set to side panel. But if you want that I would like to show the card as a pop-up, so if you can select here the center pop and click on save, and then here you reload on front end, and if you click on the card, you see the card is on center pop. So that's a different test. So someone might prefer that the card should be appear on front end as a center pop. So in action, let me show you how it works. So click on add to cart, and you see that when any product is added to cart, it will just automatically trigger. So you can use all the products from here. And most important thing that all other competitors, they have fly cards, might be they have fly card, but the main thing here, sorry, the main thing here that our checkout also on fly card. Like if you click on the checkout, you'll see all the checkout details are here. So everything will be on the fly, so you don't need to click on checkout and then it will redirect you to another page. That is not going to happen here, and everything will be on same page on fly. So that is the exceptional things, and we are unique here. So
Mm, that's actually very helpful.
yeah, so here everything you see here, if you want that I don't want to show the remove icon, you can hide the remove icon. If you don't want to show the price, you can hide the price. And here is the option that when I add the product in cart, it auto opens. So if I just disable this, and in this case, for example, some owner wants, like he has a groceries his shop, so he doesn't expect that every time product is added to cart, the cart panel opens. So if you click here, you see the product is added to cart, but it doesn't open the drawer because I have just turned off the cart panels auto opens. That's why that is not showing there. As well as if you want, you can show or hide the quantity picker. You can hide or show the coupon here. So that's your test, how you want to view the show the fly card to your customers. And another thing is sometimes many person or many store owner might have a support icon here on left right bottom. But in flycart we have different options. Like if you want, you can just set the flycart on center. Now I have, you see Elma, I have set the flycart on center right. And
Mm-hmm.
now if I save and reload the page, you'll see that flycart on the center right. So
Oh, okay.
so if you have any other support icon or any chatbot, anything on bottom right, then that is the option that the store owner doesn't need to do any custom CSS or doesn't need to write any custom CSS for that. So here are all the flexible options that store owner can set for his stores. And another thing is that here I have multiple cart icons that store owner can choose from here. So I can just easily I can select different icons. Like I have added a different icon, you see the cart icon changed here. And all the things here are customizable. Like if you
Right,
want,
you can change the color. Yeah.
you can change the background color. Like you can change the all the buttons color. the drawer background color, like if you want you can change the background color, shopping button color, cart icon color. Like if you want you can change cart icon color. You can change the widget background color, and you can change the product card background color. So all the things are customizable here. So as a store owner, if if he use store growth flycart, then
Mhm.
he doesn't need to worry that how I will customize this color, or how I will change the button position, and how I will hide this function, how I will that. So most of the things as a store owner, a person might need, all the things store growth provides.
Okay. I have a question here though when it comes to the customization. So I understand that we can change all the colors here, but okay, one is store growth compatible with most of the popular builders? Like because now I know popular is you have Elementor, you have Themify, you have DV, and just some of the yeah, just some of the things that we have here. You even have CrocoBlock, so you have a lot of these builders. And what is the how is the compatibility?
Okay, that's a very important question, and I'd
Yeah.
like to answer gladly. So we have a thing in mind that, like, there will be different page builders, like Elementors, Coco builders, like DB builders, like Gutenberg builders. So with a single plugin you cannot create its support for multiple page builders. Like you cannot create blocks for blocks, you cannot create widgets for elementors, because it is huge hassle. And this plugin will be huge. So our plugin is standalone. Standalone means this plugins is compatible with any themes, any page builders, because store growth doesn't depend on any page builder or any themes. So anything you have on your store or any page builder, you don't need to worry that, hey, my site is built with Elementor but StoreGrowth doesn't support Elementor. That's not like that.
Okay.
StoreGrowth supports with all the themes and all the page builders.
Nice. Yeah, that's what I want because, like, honestly, I have sites on Divi, I have sites on Themify, I have sites on
Yeah.
Elementor, I have sites on Crocovlog. It's like I'm really weird because I tried to learn all these, how to use these builders, and oops, can it work on any of these builders? Because now that I am building a WooCommerce shop, but that website is on Elementor, so I know it definitely can be used for it. But now I know that for my other sites that are on Themify, on DV, now I know that I can use this and on CrocoBlocks. Okay, great. And my other question would be based on this because I see that we can choose colors. We can customize the colors. Now, for the customization, is there a way that we can set brand colors or global colors within store growth?
Yes, you can just the brand color what you have.
Mm-hmm.
So as we have so many blocks, and there will be so many settings, so all the panels are like customizable individually. So here you can just set the brand color that you want. So all the things you can do for your uh, flycart. So as you know that we have more 9 modules, so all the modules are customizable individually. So so that it doesn't depends on like global, just I'll just set a global color and that will implement all the things. Not like that, because all the modules are different and all the modules are that has different case. So you can just set it differently. But yes, so when you are using a store growth, a flycart, all the modules, so when you install, it will inherit the brand colors most of the time. But if uh, that doesn't override in that case, so you can just change from here, because you know that
Okay.
some themes might have override or higher priority CSS. Because as a plugin owner, I cannot override or I cannot give too much higher priority that override all other plugin or theme CSS.
Okay, understand.
Okay. So, do you have any other question regarding Flycart?
No, no more question regarding Flycart, so we can move into the next module.
Okay, awesome. Okay. So let me start with Husan. Okay.
Oh,
So
sorry, not about flight card, but there is a question here for from Interpret, because a lot of us are also using. Okay, I need to change the live chat. Okay, about integration. Can we integrate with Flowmatic?
okay, so you know that when we have launched our product right now. So if someone have any feature request, so let me store growth roadmap. So here is
Mhm.
our roadmap, public roadmap, open for all, and I'm just sharing here. So okay, let me send you in this group. Here is a roadmap, so you can just share it. Okay, so you can just share the roadmap with your audience. So if anyone have any request, you can just add the request in our roadmap. So we will just do the proper R&D, and if that feasible or if that useful for the audience, definitely we will introduce that feature.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So let me know which on I should present, or I'll just choose a
Oh,
run.
we just continue with the next module.
Okay. So let me just introduce first the most powerful modules from Store Growth. So now let me introduce direct checkout, because uh, direct checkout or add to cart redirect, it is also very powerful modules, because nowadays to reduce the abandoned cart, store owners prefers uh, having a direct checkout that users can directly go to the checkout without by skipping the cart process. So how direct checkout actually work? So direct checkout have multiple options here. So for example, by default, if you just see here that buy now or buy now, so you can just change the label, okay, here, and then the button layout settings, you can just choose the layouts, button layout, like how you would like to show the button to the customers. So for example, you can keep the add to cart and buy now beside each other. So for example, let me show you buy now button with add to cart, and let me reload the page. You see the buy now button is here. So what will happen here, that when you install activate the buy now button, if I click on the buy now, you'll see that the fly card is actually triggering, because we have added a very interesting feature here, that most of the time users only can think about that someone will click on like this is the legacy checkout. So let me show you the difference, and show you the audience can understand the difference between others direct checkout and stored go direct checkout.
Okay.
So most of the direct checkout actually what it uh, actions, or how it works. So what happens, that when you click on buy now, then it just redirects to checkout page. So
Okay.
yes. So in that case, what happens, that it is just redirecting you to the direct checkout page. So you have page redirect, and it will take time. But we have add here another option that is called fly cart checkout. So when you have fly cards modules activated, then you will notice here that when you click on buy now button, and the checkout is actually showing on Flycard. So see
Oh,
how funny is that how easy and how interesting, that you don't need to it don't have the page redirect anything, nothing else. So directly on the fly, you can just purchase the products from on the Flycard. So
oh, I like this one. I'm not an expert of WooCommerce, and I don't know if any plugin can do this, but I really like this feature.
yes, yes, that
Okay,
was
really good.
that is very unique, and that is not available any other modules. Okay.
Wow.
So Yeah, that is the unicorn on our case. And you see that display on shop page, display on product page. So you can just choose your settings that where you want to show the direct checkout. So someone if might like prefer that I would not like to show on the shop page. So sometimes few store owners might prefer that he just want to show it on the single page. That's the thing here. And now let me show you the settings for direct checkout. So in the direct checkout, anything you see here, all the things are customizable. All the things. Like you can change the button color, you can change the text color, you can change the font size, you can change the border radius, you can change the fonts family, you can add the padding here, you can add the vertical padding, you can add the border width, you can change the border color, you can change the border style. So I think that a store owner doesn't need more than that to customize the direct checkout button. So let me know if you have any question regarding direct checkout.
Oh, they are happy with the direct checkout on the fly. Oh, me too. Because they were saying, can we actually add related products? Sorry, I'm in a different screen. Okay, can we add related product suggestions to the direct checkout on the fly?
Which product?
Okay, uh, related products
Related products.
or maybe upsells or something.
Okay. This one related products?
I oh sorry, where is it? I haven't seen. Yes, that's one.
Yes, it was on the fly card.
Okay. I think what they mean to say is that okay, so you are on the direct checkout on the fly,
So let me just enable that.
right?
That on the
Yeah.
fly. Yes. So now
Okay.
let me.
Okay, so let's go first to the
Yes.
product.
Yes.
Uh, please don't add it on the cart yet. So let's go first to the the store where you have different items, not on the specific item yet. Okay, so this one. So for example, for this one, say I added the cap on my cart.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so add to cart or buy now, right? So it will be on the direct checkout, right?
Yes. By now will be direct checkout.
Okay, so can we click the buy now?
Yes.
Okay, so this one, is it possible to show related items at the bottom or an upsell or something?
That makes sense. That makes yes. Our modules that shows upsells that is here that is not activated yet. So
Okay,
when you go to the upsell, we'll just show how upsell actually works here.
okay, so we will wait for that.
Yes, yes, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, no worries. I'll show you that. So, is there any question from your audience regarding add to cart or direct checkout?
Actually, the question that I just asked is, can we show the related product on the flight checkout section itself? Okay, because if I activate the direct checkout module, the on a legacy, it the customer goes out of my website buying a single product. But if we can add the related product or maybe an upsell or whatever, then we have more chance of purchasing more than the product that they initially intend to buy.
Yes, yes,
So we can see it in upsell, right?
yes. That I will show you that on upsell. So,
Okay, great.
for example, let me just clear the card here. Okay, okay. So cart is clear here. So let me go to the upsell order bar. Yes. So here is the upsell order bar. So for example, we have created a upsell order bump. So for example, let me show you another one. For example, create new and like show related product. Now you can just select your target products or categories. So for example, I am
Mm.
selecting targeting products, and then from here you can just select, for example, cap. So this is your targeted product. So you can select multiple products. So for demo purpose, I'm just showing you only cap. And when someone is purchasing the cap, what you want to show him as upsell in the checkout. So now like his sunglass. Okay, so now someone is purchasing cap, so you can show him that you might be interested in sunglass. So now I have selected the offer product, and now you can just set the discount. So uh, how much discount? So like you can set 10%, 20%, even 50%, how do you prefer? After that, you can just go to the design tab and you see how it will looks. Okay, so now just you can select the style here, the border style, border color, uh, that here it is, the background color, the text color. So yeah, that's it here. So you can just change the text for the users, like hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That is, that might best fit for you. Okay, so now if I save it here, and now we have created show related products on the checkout. So now if I go to the shop page, and if I click on the cap, so for example, I click on the add to cart and go to checkout, and here, yes, you see here that the sunglass is showing here. So now it has 50% discount for $45. So if I click on select, you see the product is automatically here
Added. Right.
added to the cart.
And can we show more than one? Can we have more than one product to upsell?
No, actually, upsell order bump or upsell checkout. Actually, it works like that. It just we can you can just only promote a single on product. But we have a plan that if we can add a slider to slide more products. So if the users request for that, or if it's really helpful for the customers, then definitely, because we have that features, we have that mechanism. So if users request, then definitely we will consider and will R&D about that feature. But till now, I we didn't request that kind of request, because most of the cases the upsell checkout or checkout upsell works like that.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so is there any question regarding the upsell whatever?
Not for now.
Okay, that's fantastic. So
Yeah.
okay. Okay, so let me show you another one that is called Quick View. So let me enable the Quick View modules. So actually what happens that what is the importance of Quick View? So let me just show you how it works. So when you go to the shop page, and let me reload the page, you'll see that there is a button called Quick View. So very often, if you have multiple products and user are clicking, because right now you are not capable to see the product description, and if you want to see the description, all details, you have to visit the single product page. But if you have quick view, so what will happen? That someone will click on quick view, and all the products description, like how it performs on the single page, now it will perform like same here. So that more interesting thing and powerful thing is that you can just show all the products here by just navigating through the slider. You don't need to uh, click on other products to see their features. So in the settings panel, you can just control what you would like to show and what you would like to hide and control. So here we have the model effect. So there have a few zoom effect, how you should appear when someone click on quick view. So like move from top, and if I just click here and click on quick view, and it appears from top, and all the other options what is best fit for the users, and they can choose from here. Now another thing is that the behavior of the quick cart uh, add to cart. So um, if someone click on add to cart, what will happen? So right now by default it is called cart redirect. So for example, if you click on the add to cart, it will redirect you to the cart page. But if you want, it will just add Ajax add to cart, like on the fly cart. So you see here quick view, add to cart, and the product is added to cart. So you see here the, yes, the album is added to cart, and we have controls here. So when someone expects that he add the products to cart, so the pop-up should be hidden. Then click on the open the fly card, then select here open the fly card, and now you see when you quick view, sorry, this not this one, this one, add to cart, you see that the quick view are turned off and fly card is appeared here. Is that make
Nice. Yeah, yeah, it makes sense. Perfect.
Okay, so we have think all the user case use case. So when someone is using our features, then they don't need to think about how it works, how I can control that. All the use case as a user we have thought first. So then we have just implemented that features, and you can control all the things that if you don't want to show titles, description, price, uh, product image, excerpt, product meta, add to cart, all the things are you can control.
There's
Yeah.
nothing. I
Yes,
know.
so you can control everything from here. And another thing is that you can change the quick view button text. And most important thing is that quick view icon, because you see here right now um, what happens that there is another button and it says quick view. So it's sometimes for few stores it might not fit. So we have another options that button like enable quick view icon. So we can you can user can enable icons, and here we have set few icons so user can select. And right now you see there is no button, there is only icon. So sometimes users might think that I don't want this button here, I would like to move that button over the product. Someone hover, then this product, this quick view shows. So button position, center on the image. Now this is, this will be appear on the center on the image. So
Oh, nice.
now uh,
Refresh.
fresh. Oh, so this is a little bug here. So yeah, we have to check and fix that. Don't worry about
Okay.
that. Just might be any css effect that he have lost here. So yeah, so just the thing is here that when you hover, there will be a quick view button, and it will just, you see there is not no quick view button, but when you hover there is a quick view button. But unfortunately it is here, but it should be on the on center
The
on the image.
middle, the right, on the middle of the page.
Yes,
Uh,
yes,
uh, Image.
yes.
Okay, that's how. It actually looks good. I like that.
Okay, and also there is another button called view details. So for example, uh, you're checking this on, but you might think that I would like to see more. Then how you will go to that single product page? For that case, we have this view more button, and click on view more button, and it will redirect you to the single product page. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the thing how quick view actually works. And as well as it has the design tab, you can change the color, all the things you need here. Model background color, you can change the model background color, all the things you can control from here. So yeah, that's it for quick view. So uh, feel free to ask if you have any
No
question.
questions. No questions so far.
Okay, okay, awesome.
You don't have to ask me if I will ask questions. If I have questions, I will ask.
Uh,
Okay, let's go to which one? Stock bar? Okay, BOGO. Okay, buy
Bogo,
one, get one. Okay.
yes. Bogo is the most powerful features for any stores. If you want
Mm-hmm.
to increase your sales, then most definitely some you have to offer that buy on get on or buy X get Y, or sometimes when year ending sales, for example, you want to clear your stock, and then you'd like to set offers. Okay, so here is the general settings for BOGO. So let me enable these settings, or just let me go to the list. So to create a BOGO, you can just click on the create new button, and then like offer product or year ending sales. So now you can select a product like cap, and then you can set buy X get Y, or buy X get X. So let me show you first that buy X get Y, and then select offer product. Then if you purchase a cap, then you will get a hoodie, and then you can just select the type, free or price. You can just set the discount, or if you want to would like to set it free, then you can set it free. And then select the minimum quantity, that like quantity, minimum quantity 1 2 3, that you prefer, that buying on or buying 4 or buying 5 and getting on, that's your choice. So you have the flexibility. And this BOGO type is product. And if you want that someone is going to buying a cap, but he might not prefer getting free a hoodie, in this case you can select the alternate product like belt, sunglass, so anything he might prefer. And you can select the schedule, like daily, like or just a specific day, and you can set the offer start date and end date. So let's save it here. And okay, so here also more settings like design, so how it will show on the front end. Here is this option that is like offer icon, how the users or customers will know that there is free or gift. So if you just select the base icon, you can also select customer. So we have given the 4 free bases icon. Now as usual, the style you would like to apply, you can apply from here. And the content, for example, let me show you, then you will understand what I mean.
Okay.
So now if I go to the shop page, and if you go to the cap page, which one we selected? Okay, maybe we didn't. Okay, yes. uh okay, shop base icon enable, product base icon, regular price. show removable product. Now, yes, now see, we have to enable the shop page base icon, because if we disable this icon, then this will not be visible. So you have the settings.
Mm.
uh, so you can you have to enable from here. Like, you can like, if I enable the shop base icon, from shop page, you will see that buy on get on. Okay, and now what I would like to show here, that the message, like the BOGO list from here, and I can just go to edit here, and here is the content, and let me show you, buy this product and get a free product. Okay, so now if I click here and save, and you see, when someone hover over it, it shows that buy this product and get a free product. If I go to the single product page, you will see that it shows that buy this product and get a free one. So let me just show you how it works. Click on the add to cart, and you see that the hoodie is added free. You see the cap
Okay.
is here, and the hoodie with pocket is added as free.
Right. But you did add an alternative product earlier, right?
Yes. So here we have a limitation here, that
Mhm.
if someone actually would like to select the alternate products, this features is right now not available in Flycart, and
Okay.
we'll release these features in upcoming versions, and we are working on that. But this alternate product actually works on the cart. For example, if you go here,
Oh,
yes. So, and also,
where is the alternative product here?
okay, so yeah, and here is another case that we would like to set the notice, because WooCommerce has introduced blog-based cart and checkout. So the previously all the things are developed by hook-based and PHP-based render, but in like blog-based, still there is no support to for the blog. So we have to make sure the user understand that there is a limitation of the features, so we can't enable that for the blog based card. For example, if I edit that page, and this is a blog based card, this is a blog based card. So what we have to do, let me show you here. Let me show you here the show you short code. And now WooCommerce cart, and click on update, and you will see here there is two cart. So this on is stable on, and this on is experimental release, and this is not stable, and this is not all compatible with all the recent latest plugins. So they have released new hooks for blocks, and we have to wait for few more versions to be it's more stable, and after that we can make it compatible with the block based cart and checkout. So let me
Okay.
just remove the cart here, this block based cart, and this is the actual on that is available with all the installation. So now if I click here, you see that now you can just select the alternate product.
Okay. And how many alternate products can we add?
You can just add alternate products as many as you prefer, because it is a
Okay.
multiple select, so it is not limited. All
Okay.
the products
So,
you have, you can just select from here as the alternate product.
all right. Is there an option? Let me just check. Say, for example, I will. tag some of my products as gift. Now, I'm just thinking of this from a consumer point or the seller point of view. Say, I want to tag some of my products as gifts. So you here have the belt, the hoodie, and I will add tag gifts to that. And based on that tag, on my buy one get one settings or buy X get Y, on the Y part, everything that is tagged as gift is available for them to choose from.
Yes,
Ah,
yes,
it's possible. Okay.
yes. This is possible. Yeah, this is the free and discount. So you can
Okay.
uh, everything like BOGO is most powerful and most functional modules. So here have lots of options. So to use these features, you have to little bit skillful like some store owners when, but don't worry. The documentation here, we have all the documentation here. So yeah, we have nice talks.
Okay, great.
So
But
user.
what I mean there is the okay, my alternative products are with this tag instead of me putting in each and every product as an alternate.
So you mean all the products as alternate?
Okay, for example, okay, so I have product one that okay, if they get product okay, product A, they will get an option to have product one, two, three, four, five. Now, instead of me adding product one, two, three, four, five as an alternate product, can I add it based on a tag? So, for example, I will put a tag on the product as gift. And all I have to do now is add gift, the tag gift on the alternate products, and it will show up all the products that were tagged as gift.
Sorry, actually, I'm afraid that I don't understand that what you mean.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. So let me try again. Okay, so uh, okay, so for example, I have product A, and then on with product A, I want to offer them a free gift of products, and they can choose one of either one, two, three, or five. Now, in the future, I might want to change one, two, three, and six, or one, two, three, four, or whatever. Now, for me to make the changes, currently what I see in your software is that I need to make the changes as adding or deleting the specific product as alternate product, right? But now what I'm asking is, can I change it in a way that I only have to add the tag gift on each product? So I'm talking about the product level tag. I'll add the tag gift, and then I will put on my alternate product the tag gift. And it will be changed according to, say, I remove product one on the gift. I remove the tag gift from products one. So it will no longer be available as a choice.
okay.
Do you get that? Do you understand now my question?
So it is a little bit long, but let
Mm-hmm.
me show you how that makes sense. So
Okay.
this is buy X get Y. So like if you buy X product, you
Mm-hmm.
can offer buy Y product, and
Mm-hmm.
now you can select buy X get X. Okay, so like
Mm-hmm.
if you buy one product, you'll get that same product as a free. So for example, I can just select the sunglass and then offer as free, select minimum quantity, and select Bogota products or categories. You can select the categories. So like let's keep it short as a products, and let me show you how it works. Like we have selected sunglasses. So for example, shop sunglass, where is sunglass? Yes. So now if I add this product, let me clear the cart. Okay, so the cart is clear now, and if I click the, you see the free gift, I have set the label. Now if I click add this to cart, and you see I have added on product as I have to pay it for one product and another one as free. that is our another option for buy X get Y. And if you want, you can select the categories. So you can select the alternate products from here, and you can also exclude the products. But in in future, we will just that if there is more request regarding BOGO, we'll just consider that, and we'll just try to implement on our BOGO features. Right now, as on is like we there is a limitation that users are not able to select the alternate product from the Flycart, but we have the plan to release it very soon. Is that make sense? Can you hear me? Maybe you are muted.
Okay, sorry, I'm muted. So yes, it's clear to me, but it hasn't answered my question about the product tags. So
So
if
you
I tag, yeah.
so might be you,
Okay, so for example, on the alternative product, can
yeah.
I enter a tag instead of the
Oh,
product
okay,
itself?
okay, that makes sense. No, right now you cannot add the tags.
Mhm.
So right now you can just select the specific products, but we
Mm-hmm.
cannot you cannot just enter the tags like for alternate products.
Right,
You cannot add tags right now. You can only
right.
just click.
So I think here for the select BOGO type, you have currently products categories. I suggest we can also add tags.
Okay, so okay,
Right.
that makes sense. That makes sense. That
Okay.
makes sense.
So do you? I
So
have to add it on your roadmap.
yes, so we can just we'll just check that, and we'll just assess that features, and we'll
Mhm.
implement recent upcoming feature, upcoming release.
BOGO type add tag. Okay. So I just wrote it down to make sure that I can add it on the roadmap earlier on.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we are done with the BOGO. Can I just quickly check questions here?
Okay.
Okay,
So
so I think this one we have already answered this earlier. Can I provide quick access to key product details through a lightbox pop up on my shop page in WooCommerce? Yes, that's what we call quick view. So please watch the replay, and we discussed it in earlier. Okay, now here I'm not sure what Niru means, but how many free products can we control over it? It means out of 10 can select only two. I don't know specifically what is this question. Please be more specific. And I think this question will be answered by the next module. Can I visually represent product stock availability to create a sense of urgency and encourage timely purchases? Okay, because we have the stock bar notification.
okay. So yeah. So let me represent you the stock bar. And stock bar, how it works, we have showed that the details guideline here,
Mm-hmm.
because uh, that settings need to be set from the shop product meta. So we have set it here. So let me show you that here is the initial settings, that how where you'd like to show the product um shop page or product page on and display on the variation page. So let me enable that. And as well as where we have the design here. So all the designs like the colors, the paddings, everything is here. So the control is like all the controls you need for stock bar, everything is here. But let me show you how to enable the stock bar for a product. So first, let me navigate the products. So here is the products. For example, any on like the cap that we are testing. Okay, so inventory. enable the stock management, and set the quantity like 10. When you're adding the products, you are the store owner and you have the control to set the stock, and you can set the stock here. So if I visit the tab, you see that uh, here is the product stock bar. So all the products you have, you can just go and enable the inventory and track stock management, and then it will show the stock here. And it is very simple but yet very powerful, and you can see that as well as on the single product page and as well as on the shop page. And
Actually, here, can you control the total number sold?
total number sold from these settings.
I don't know where to set it because, for example, here you have 10 available, total sold is zero. So what if I like to say my shop, I just transferred to WooCommerce, but I've already sold thousands of it on Shopify. But of course, here the count is zero because this is the first time I'm selling on this store. So how can I make adjustments to the total sold and total available items?
Okay, so it is a case that might be test that how it actually it will works on already sold product.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that when we have tested, that works like when any products are sold, that sold count will be available here,
Right.
and new stock will be visible here. But if any case, if any users, we have already few users and they are using our product, so I didn't get any complaint, but
Mm-hmm.
we will recheck it. If that doesn't work or any issues, definitely we are uh, overall that to fix that.
Right, because I'm just thinking on how to transfer the, how do you call that, the sales and inventory from one platform to another, because there are people who may not be new to e-commerce and have hosted their e-commerce shops elsewhere and then want to move to WooCommerce and use your plugin. And for them to do that, and I think this is just one of the important aspects for us to be able to transfer information like, hey, I sold 1,235 from the other shop, so I can put it here, and I have 100 available right now. So yeah, just nice to show that. So
Yes.
if we can do that, that will be great.
Okay. So yeah, because different store owners, different user case,
Yeah.
and when users they will face the problem, they will reach out to us, and they will send us the feedback or request, and we will
Mm-hmm.
assess that and we will develop that. So how
Right.
that how a product become mature.
Right. So only if it makes sense, of course. Okay. Like, hey, we don't do everything. Now, okay. So let's go to the next module. So we now know that we have this stock bar
Hmm.
option.
Okay. Stock bar.
Right.
So we are on the stock bar. Yes, we have represented the stock bar. Okay.
Right.
Now we can just show the countdown timer. So countdown timer is like create the urgency or FOMO uh, for the customers. Like you have any products that are on demand and you would like to get more sales, so you can show that for only 10 days or 10 hours it has 50% off. So what will happen that actually those who are the customers and they'll think, hey, this product is going to be out of stock very soon, or that discount is going to be in, and I should grab it right now. So that how it works. So let me show you how it works. So when you enable this countdown timer, so then it will not actually show nothing on the front end unless you visit the products and like for example you go for a products, all products, all products, and for example the sunglass, go here, and then here is the countdown timer. and then you can just set the percentage like 10, 20, 50, whatever you want, like 25% discount. And like the start date is today's the start date, today's the start date, and in date might be next uh, 31. And then if I save, and if I just view the product, you will notice here that hey, 20% off, 25% off, and 3 days, 50 minutes, and 18 second go to in the deal. So now you can just control where you would like to show. If you would like to show it on the shop page, you can enable that on shop page. So if I just reach the shop page, you'll notice here that for sunglass, yes, the countdown timer are showing for the sunglass, you see here. So uh, how this will work here, and the for the design part, as it is for others, like you can change the template here. So I have changed the template, and it is the new template is applied here, and we have a plan to add more templates for stock bar, for sales countdown timer. So you can change the text color, countdown timer color, all the colors and size are controllable from here.
Nice. I like you can even do gradient with it. Wow. Nice.
Okay, thanks, you liked it.
Yeah, yeah. I like it a lot. Okay. So now we have the countdown timer, which is a really good thing. And the I think floating bar, sales notification are the things that we haven't discussed yet. Yeah.
Okay, so let me show you the floating bar.
Right.
Okay, so floating bar is like you can show your customers that, for example, there is Cyber Monday, Black Friday.
Oh,
Yes,
okay. It's like a pop-up or
yes, it's like a pop-up. So let me just enable it, and let me control here. Okay, so after 1 second, I've just set the trigger, like how when it will be visible. So
okay.
here, desktop button sticky. So okay, just let me reset it. So okay, yes, here it is. So uh, here is the like the floating notification bar. So let me show you that what we need to do, that like Cyber Monday offer, for grab it now, or store growth early bird offer, early bird offer. Okay, so now if I just reload here, so here is the trigger time, that you can just set it trigger time, that okay, so like I set it here for 1 second, and now reload here. Yes, that store growth early bird offer, and grab it now. So all the things here you can just control here, like you can change the icons, what you want. You can add the custom icons here right now. I don't have any icons here, but yeah, you can choose any icons here,
Okay.
and then you can just control. Would you like to show on mobile or desktop?
Mm-hmm.
And uh, here is the banner close action. So if the banner is closed, what will happen? So if you want, you can redirect somewhere else, and like you can change the button shop now to buy now, and then you can add a countdown timer like from today to 30 on show countdown, and there is the countdown timer. If you want, you can show coupon. Right now we don't have any available coupon set on the backend, so the coupon are not available, but you can show coupons here, and you can show where to show, and you can just set the controls that show on everywhere, on show on selected, and then you can just for logged in logged out, or for everyone. So that's the control here. And now you can just change the behavior that when it should appear after a few seconds or after a scroll. So if you wants that the after a scroll that should be appear, then you can set the effect based on your preference. Now if I go to the design section, you can set the banner height. For example, I set 100 pixel, the font size roboto font pixel, a background color, for example this one, text color, for example black, button color, button text color, for example orange, background color, button color red, button text color white, white, okay, white,
6F. F
FF.
F F F F F.
Yep. Okay, yes, okay, now it works. And yeah, now
Ah,
you can
cool.
it and go to the front page. You see, you'll see, yeah, here is a nice floating bar. So you can just promote your campaign, anything you want, you can campaign here. So based on branding color, like if someone expects, let me show you that. For example, we don't have any icons right now, but for example, select this as a test icon, and you see here, yeah. So that means any custom icons, if you prefer, you can add here.
Okay.
And also the button, buy now button, is the buy now button, banner design. So for example, what should be happen when someone click on the buy now button? You can for example set the rocket up is StoreGrowth, and select here, click on the tab, save. And now let me show you how button works. So now if I click here, that the field page, it will direct you. So how it actually works. So to make a complete functional floating bar, you don't need to use any other plugins. Store Growth offers it for you, so you can
Okay.
use only on plugins, and all the features you need, mostly we are offering to you. Okay, so
Nice. And okay, so is there anything else we haven't discussed? I saw the sales notification, and I think that's very self-explanatory. Another thing that I haven't seen yet is loyalty programs, and in fact, Sujit has asked for it. He's asking if you have any loyalty program inside a plugin. Like if I want to give products to my returning customers and send personalized gift on occasions like birthdays or Mother's Day, or is it something like that?
okay, so Right now, we don't have any modules in plan like loyalty programs.
Mm-hmm.
But if the audience thinks that loyalty program would enrich store growth features, and then definitely I would like to get the feedback from the audience. So share the
Okay.
roadmap with them, and if they have any ideas and any feedbacks, then definitely I would like to get the feedback from the audience.
Right. Okay. Because part of the customer decision journey is actually post purchase loyalty. And we want them to come back and come back and come back and actually get addicted to us so that they come back and come back again. And sometimes it's the rewards like these. Like, I know, for example, I purchase from a shop that gives me like rewards cash for a certain amount I spend with them every month or each time I'm shopping, or and they say, okay, there are shops that give me a coupon that is only valid for 7 days, and if I don't use it, I lose it. So stuff like that. And so there's so many ways to do loyalty programs. So either you get rewards cash or limited time coupons. For example, I spent $100 today, I'll get a $10 coupon that I can use in the next 7 days if I purchase $100 or more. Another thing is, anyway, there are so many ways to do this loyalty program. Suddenly, I ran out of ideas. So yeah. Okay, so Sujit, regarding your question or your suggestion, if you could please send a feedback to the to Store Growth's roadmap, it's we can add it there. Okay, so right.
Any any audience, like if he has any or if he or she has any feedback, I'm happy to get that, and I'm really excited to get more shout out, more feedbacks, and more feature requests from the audience. So I would like Growth to be more functional, more
Right.
mature.
That's our goal.
Yes.
Okay, so let me just see. Okay, let me just check. Anything else? Anything else did I miss? Okay. So guys have already shared the giveaway form on both Facebook and YouTube. And today we are going to have two lucky winners for Store Growth Tier 1 from Rocket Hub. And remember, I've also pinned the post on where you can buy Store Growth, and it's currently at 10% off in Rocket Hub. With the discount coupon is also on the is also pinned. All right. So I really like everything that I've seen today. And of course, there are some rooms for improvement, but for one plugin, and you can get all these, well, this is really a heavyweight plugin, but it does not affect your website speed. Okay, it's not that heavy that it affects your website speed, but it actually really helps you grow your WooCommerce store, your sales. Okay, and currently on Rocket Hub, let me see what they got here. There are three tiers, so I will share my screen so people can see what tiers are available. 'Cause this is something like if you are a WooCommerce owner, you should have this. Okay.
So should I turn off my screen share?
No worries, you don't have to. I can just disable it. Don't worry too much about that. I have control. Okay.
Okay, awesome.
So here is still not showing. Why not? Let me hide it again and show on stream. Oh, that's funny. It became like that. Okay, let's do this again. Hide from stream, show on stream. There you go. Okay, so currently there are three plans on Rocket Hub, and here are the so you can get lifetime access to Store Growth. You have all future LTD plan updates that map to your plan. You have to activate your license within 60 days and you get 30 days money back guarantee. No questions asked. But if you don't uh, ask for a refund before 30 days, there's no refund. Okay. Okay. So now here we have the quick cart, which you showed earlier, direct checkout, um, sales countdown timer, upsell order bump, live sales notification, floating bar, um, stock count bar, free shipping bar. They forgot to put in here your fly card, and that one is really impressive. And the buy one get one module is also
Yes,
not in here.
and those two modules are new. The quick
Ah,
those are new modules, so that's why those are not added there, like
okay.
Bogo and Quick View.
Right. And on okay, so tier one is for one website, tier two is for 20 websites, and tier three is for three 200 websites. And all features are available. The limit is on the number of websites that you can use. So all the plugin modules are available. Now let's go to store growth io slash roadmap so we can have a look at the roadmap. Oh, and we have a lot of viewers. We have around 26 viewers right now. Thank you for joining us. So, uh, okay, so we have what is this in progress?
So
One upsell thing.
yes, those are just in progress. Bogo already released, but we didn't set the Bogo to release tab.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and let's see. So this is the roadmap, and let's say, oh, I like that one. Thank you, page cross sell. Oh, I like that. Frequently bought together. Okay, so you can see here there are a lot of things that are in progress. There are a lot of things up next, and all these will be available for the LTD users, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, great. So just making sure, and yeah, and if we want to add anything, we can also
Just
sign up.
go to ideas.
Oh, okay. Go to ideas.
Yes, and you can just share your ideas here.
Okay, great. That looks really good. And let me see. Are there any more questions, guys, before I turn off my screen for the moment and prepare the giveaway? So thanks so much, Mehdi. Like really, I spoke to you, I believe, was it in January about this? We
Mm,
when we talked
yeah,
first time.
maybe yes.
Yeah, I can't recall exactly when, but it was some time ago. But now there are even more features than the last time I've seen it, so it's really really great to see that.
Yes, we're working very hard day night to add more features.
Mm-hmm.
So, like my purpose, my intention is that those who are starting new store or those who are store owner and have budget issues, and
Mm-hmm.
those who are suffering, like for example, you have a store and your site is loading very slow, so yeah,
Right.
most of the times you use caching plugins, you try to optimize, but you have to understand that when you use multiple plugins, it has loading impact. So that's why if we use 20, we have plans like we have plan like at 20 plus modules in store growth. So if you think that 20 plus modules in on plugins and think how much it will impact on your loading. So it will be very fast, and you don't need to manage multiple licenses, in you don't need to update multiple plugins. And like when you have 20 plugins or 25 plugins, if you update multiple plugins, and sometimes you notice that there is some like compatibility.
Incompatibility
Yes,
issues with
yes.
plugins. Yeah, that's a headache. uh,
Yes. So
okay.
from that case, StoreGrowth will save that cases, like there is no chance to get fatal error or compatibility issues. Yes.
Okay, so I've just received 15, but I can see we have like 26 viewers right now, 25, 26 viewers earlier. So let's wait for one or two more minutes for them to fill it up. And I have another question, like, what are your next, like, what is your plan for store growth? What would be next for store growth?
Okay, so like right now our plugin, though we have launched recently, but our plugin is already stable and customers are using it and they're enjoying the store growth.
Mm-hmm.
So adding more templates and adding new features already that are in our progress map, and we are looking for customers feedback if they have any feedback or any feature request. So like day by day we will just add more features and we will make store growth more stable. So for any themes, any sites, any servers, any version, it becomes stable. Though we have tested with most of the popular themes and environment, store growth actually compatible with all, so no complaint with that. So but if there are any issues, we'll just cordially receive that feedback and we'll just try to improve that.
Okay, that sounds great. Okay, 20 entries. Do I have to wait for anyone? Because I don't want to add more names while I download and upload. You know what I mean? Some people like, hey, you missed my name, but they did not fill up the form. Okay. So until when are you on Rocket Hub?
So maybe Onyx,
Hmm?
like
Until
March, April, maybe April first. In the in of the first week, the deal will end on Rocket Hub.
on first week of April.
Yes,
Okay, so that's actually next week already.
yes,
Okay, so right now you have an early bird discount. They have an option to buy tier 3 for 200 websites.
yes.
Okay, so guys, I think that like if you buy the tier 3, which is 149, how much was that again? I forgot and I already lost my screen for that. Okay, then that's actually really worth it. It's like $1 per website. Come on, you cannot say no to this deal. Is really irresistible. Okay, so let me now download everyone. And if I miss someone, sorry, because I gave time already. Okay, then I will download it. And by the way, thanks to Form NX founder Nick, because I'm using his software for doing the giveaway. Okay, the thing is, okay, so there is a question here. It will increase sales of our store. We'll try it. And yes, it will. Okay, when you buy the plug-in store growth, it doesn't mean that your sales will increase automatically. So you need to apply the strategy and you need to make use of the software. That's very important. Okay. So store growth is a tool, and it's a tool that makes our lives as e-commerce owners easier by making sure that um a lot of things are available for us that were not available previously, or where we require like 20 to 30 plugins to be able to get it to work. So if you tell me that, hey, can store growth really work on it, can store growth increase my sales, and I will say definitely yes, but you really need to put work on it. Okay, like you also need to send traffic to your site and stuff like that. So that's very, very important. Like, yeah, you have store growth, and then suddenly you say, oh, store growth is not working for me. But you need to put in the work. You need to, hey, come on, it's common sense. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, it's taking some time to open. Okay, so I will share my screen again. And here we go. I hope I did not miss anyone. So we have here Alina, Ankit Prajapati, Anoa Rule, Darren, Gulam, HM, Inderjit, Inderpreet, Jeffrey, Jennifer, Kabir, Mary, Mizanur, Niru, Noor, Saddam, Sarah, Sorab, Shah Jahan, Sajahan, Sumashikar, Sujit, Sumon, Sunil, Suzanne, Vladimir, and Wallace Rowell. So I hope I did not miss anyone because I am going to do the draw now. And tonight we have two winners, and you need to confirm your that you are still with us watching um, when we announce this. Okay, the first winner. Okay, our first winner is Mizanur Rahman.
Congratulations, Mijanur.
So where is Mizanur? Need to remove it. And I think okay, so let's I'm not seeing. So okay, so we do the next draw where we choose the next winner while we are still waiting for Mizanur. Okay, let's start. That's Sorav Mia. So Sorav and Mizanur, where are you guys? I haven't seen the reply from you both. So waiting. I'll give you a chance. So why is that? We have an empty slot here. I really find it weird. I have a ghost in the audience. Okay. So is Misanur there? Okay, so Misanur is here. Perfect. And how about Sorav Mia? Okay, so Sorav just confirmed, Misanur just confirmed, and awesome guys. So thank you so much for joining us tonight. And next week, I'm going back. I'm coming back in with a live stream on Tuesday with Boost Space. Now that is actually quite interesting because there are a lot of new features in the Boost Space, and I know we love automations. I love automation. It helps me become more efficient in everything I do. And actually, the tool store growth may not be okay. It may not be an automation tool, but this is also something that makes e-commerce sellers' lives easier. Like really, like all these modules that are available at such a small price, you just can't beat it. Like I'm sure that they wouldn't have any issues getting customers for MRR on this because hey, this is something that I would really pay for. So again, thanks so much, Mehedi. Let
Yes.
me change the thing here. And if you have any questions, just let us know later on in the chat. I will also announce again the winners in our Facebook group. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks, Mehedi. And again, thank you all. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.